Hey folks, we know that biomedical research is a mess. You're constantly jumping between tools, one for genetic data, another for clinical trials, another for literature. It's exhausting and eats up your time. What if you could do it all from one place? Run complex workflows, analyze variants, and even create publication-ready illustrations with just a single prompt? Meet SciSpace BioMed Agent, your AI co-scientist, built specifically for biomedical research. With 150-plus biomedical tools, it handles everything from CRISPR design to drug discovery to creating scientific figures. No more tool hopping, just research, simplified. Let's dive in and see how this works.
This is Parvez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions.
To access SciSpace, click the link provided in the description, which will take you directly to the official website. You'll notice that SciSpace has recently launched the BioMed Agent, a specialized artificial intelligence tool designed specifically for biomedical research, making it an invaluable resource for researchers, students, and medical professionals. Looking at the interface, you'll find two options just below the prompt bar: All and BioMed. The All mode handles a wide spectrum of research assistance, including idea generation and literature analysis across multiple academic disciplines. The BioMed mode, however, is specifically optimized for complex biology and medicine tasks, genetics, patient data, drug research, and clinical trials. This specialization matters because biomedical research requires understanding of highly specific terminology and databases that general-purpose AI might not handle as effectively. If you're unsure how to formulate queries, SciSpace provides example prompts below the mode selection. These serve as excellent starting points to explore the platform's capabilities. You can also browse different specialized BioMed agents and search for one that matches your specific research needs. Let's demonstrate how the BioMed agent works. I'll enter this prompt: prioritize exome variants for hereditary breast cancer using ClinVar and gnomAD. After pressing enter, you'll see a comprehensive research interface appear. The system generates a detailed research plan and executes it step by step, mirroring how an experienced researcher would tackle a complex problem.
On the left side, you can monitor live activity and view outputs as they're generated. In this demonstration, the agent executed 9 distinct steps. Once complete, you'll see key results summarizing important findings, clinical significance explaining what these findings mean medically, and methodology detailing how the research was conducted. You can click any section for more details, and importantly, everything is downloadable. Save results directly to your computer for use in research papers, reports, or presentations. This makes the BioMed Agent a genuine productivity tool that accelerates your workflow significantly. SciSpace also creates visual explanations of complex scientific concepts. For this demonstration, I asked, create a visual explanation of mitochondrial dysfunction in neurodegenerative pathology. Within seconds, the system generates a comprehensive, professionally designed diagram illustrating the key concepts and relationships. These visuals can be used in research papers, presentations, thesis documents, and educational materials. You can ask follow-up questions to refine the diagram, and once satisfied, download it for use anywhere. SciSpace continues to grow more powerful, and the BioMed Agent combined with visual illustration features represents a significant advancement in AI-assisted research. Try it yourself using the link in the description. Coupon codes are available for discounts on monthly and yearly plans. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and stay tuned for more content. See you in the next video.